Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you how to add Screenr to PowerPoint. So the first thing we need to do is be inside PowerPoint. I happen to be in PowerPoint 2007, and so that's why you see the ribbon toolbar up here. So we're in PowerPoint. Now what we want to do is we want to go get the Screenr data. So I've got a blank slide here. We're going to go to slide 2, and that's where we'll paste the Screenr data. So let's go ahead and go to Screenr. And inside Screenr, you've got your web page for the video. You'll notice there's an embed code up here in the corner, so you can click on that, copy it, or you can just click on the share button and you'll see the embed code here. Just hit copy. That copies it to the clipboard, and then what we want to do is come back to PowerPoint. Now I'm just going to go ahead and paste what I copied onto my slide, and I'll make it a little bigger here and move it out of the way. So let me make the text larger as well so it's a little easier to see on the screencast. So I've got my embed code here. Now what I want to do is set it up so I can embed the Screenr video into the actual slide. So let's go to a blank slide here, and this is where we'll embed the video. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to have this developer tab in PowerPoint. So what you need to do is you go to this little pie icon in Microsoft. You look at the PowerPoint options, click on that, and then under Popular you'll see Show Developer tab in Ribbon. So make sure that's selected, hit OK, and now you should have a Developer tab here. And then when you have the Developer tab, there's going to be a control panel, and in that control panel there's more controls. Click on that, and that'll open up this control panel here where you can add more controls, and we're going to go ahead and look for the shockwave flash, and it's right here, shockwave flash object. Go ahead and select that. Now what we're going to do is just draw the rectangle, and this is where your shockwave object's going to be. So this will actually be your Screenr video. So what we need to do now is load up that Screenr movie. So in this, for the shockwave object, we select that. There's a properties button. Click on properties, and you're going to get this menu that looks kind of like this. I'll make it a little larger, and then in there it says movie. So go ahead and find the movie, and this is where we'll add the URL for the movie, and that's why we need the embed code. So let's go back to the embed code here. I'm going to move this off screen for now. Let's go back to the embed code, and this is the total code that you would use to paste it onto a website or a blog page. What we really need is just this HTTP code that has the Screenr. So you see http screenr.com, and it goes through it and it gives you this SWF or flash file. So we need to copy that, and let's go ahead and paste it down here. And we want to make sure it's completely starts with the HTTP. So let's go ahead and drag that. I'm going to make this a little bigger for you so you can see the actual text. Now after the SWF, this will load the player, and after the SWF we actually need to know where the actual video is, and that you can find here. You've got this value here, and it happens to be I equals 3872. So let's go ahead and copy that, I equals 3872, and it's going to be unique for each video. So after the SWF here, we're going to put a question mark, and then we'll just paste that I equals 3872. Let me stretch that out so it looks like one line, and you should have a URL that looks like this. So screenr.com goes all the way to the SWF question mark I equals 3872. So we'll copy this, and then what we're going to do is we'll come over here, we'll click on this again, we pull in our properties, and we have that. Where's movie? I got my eyesight's getting worse as I get older, and now what we'll do is we'll play the video, and the video should play. So let's go ahead and play it. And there you go, there's the Screenr video inside your PowerPoint slide. Go ahead and hit play, and you'll see that it works. It's as easy as that.